Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to show you how to lead your customers to checkout right away. Perfect for those with Wix sites where customers often buy just a single item. When we lead them to checkout right away, we'll save them a few clicks because they won't have to go through your cart icon, side cart, and cart page. So here's how you can do it. On the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu on the left, and under Store Pages, select your product page. Click on your product page element and then click on Settings. On this small window, go to the Settings tab and look for the Buy Now button. This one. Toggle this button on to enable it. And as you see, when you enable it, a new button will be added to your cart page, which is the Buy Now button. That means if they click on this button, they'll instantly be taken to checkout to purchase the item of their choice. Once you're done with this setting, you can go ahead and click on Save. And if your site's also previously been published, you can click on Publish again for the changes to take effect on your live site as well. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.